My name is Helen. I'm from Goa. We were Christians, but we never knew Jesus. We didn't have a personal relationship with Him. We never read the Bible. We didn't know what it is to, really pray to Jesus for anything. I had a friend, neighbor, and she introduced me to Jesus. I could not go to church in Goa because I really didn't know where the churches were, but my friend, neighbor, she would take me once in a while to her church, but I was really not allowed to go. And during this time, my mom fell sick and she had cancer. What happened was she passed away, and I was asking God this question, where is she now, Lord? Like, is she in heaven? Because I knew about heaven and hell, but I really didn't know where my mom was. And I was so alone at home because my dad was alcoholic and my brother was on the ship. And I was really hungry for God, and that's the time, I started watching God TV. So one morning when I was watching Pastor Benny Hinn's program, towards the end he always prays for people, and he said, bow your heads, I'm going to pray for people who are watching right now. And all of a sudden he said, there is a young girl who's watching my program right now, and she recently lost her mom. And this is the question she's asking God. God, where is my mom right now? And I just put up my head and I was like, God, this is what I've been asking you. And he said, you know what, daughter? Jesus wants you to know that your mom is in heaven and she is rejoicing with Jesus. I was like, God, are you so real? Like, can you speak to me through TV, through another person who is far away? And I heard the Lord saying, yes, yes, my daughter. And that whole experience, changed my life forever. And I knew this God is real. I knew heaven was real. And I was so rejoicing because my mom is in heaven. And I believe God used His own channel, God TV, to talk to me about my mom. God was feeding me through God TV every day in my house. And I would close the doors and windows of my house and would praise Jesus. I would put my hands up and just shout on Jesus' name, and He would just come and fill my room. And that's the time I started reading the Bible, and the whole Bible would come alive to me, And worship, yes, I would just worship at home through God TV because that's the only way I knew to do it. I said, God, I want to go further with you. I want to go further with you. And so I got married and to this amazing guy, and we came to Dubai. And my hunger for God was like increasing day by day. And I shared this with my husband. I said, can we go to a church where, I can just raise up my hands and worship God and hear Him? So when I asked Gavin about the church in Dubai, he was like, no, we should not go there because I used to go there before, and now if I go, they'll just catch me and keep me there. And he was running away from God. But then the more we started going to church, we attended a conference, and he was in love. God just exploded him with His love. And when we came back from that conference that night, he said, you know what, this is it. I'm going to one of the best churches, and we have awesome worship there, amazing word, and we lead a home group now. And I believe God TV has touched my life in a great way. And I'm sure there are so many Helens around the world, especially in Dubai. And I believe like a channel like God TV can bring so much of light and encouragement to their lives. And I cannot go and talk to people about Jesus, but I know God TV can do to millions of people who are watching them. And that's the reason I partner with God TV.